Janella Salvador and Baby Jude. Ang mothers ay maging happy, especially sa Mother's Day. Okay, ngayon naman po, let's go to Ma'am-shi Janella. Sa ka na rin, Ma'am-shi. Oo, alam mo, nakaka-relate ako doon sa sinabi ni Sir Raymond, no? Yung, ang babata nakita natin growing up before our eyes, so be careful with my heart. And now, Ma'am-shi na rin, parang we feel so old. But yes, Janella, isa ka rin sa mga tinitingala, especially ng mga new moms out there. So, what advice can you give to new moms?
Wow, advice. Siguro ako kasi as a new mom, marami din pa akong natututunan. And I think that's the best advice I can give siguro, na as much as moms, we love to teach our kids new things, marami silang natututunan from us, I think it's also a learning process for us as well. Because ako, ever since I became a mom, I've learned so many things about myself, about life, that I wouldn't have possibly learned if Jude never came to my life. So, yeah, embrace the learnings, be present. I think presence is very, very important. I know, I always experience a lot of guilt. Sobrang, yung mom guilt, iba talaga yung mom guilt kapag, lalo na kapag bagong mom ka siguro. Kasi hanggang ngayon na-experience ko pa rin siya kahit mag-grocery lang ako, mag-errands lang ako. Nagigilty ako na hindi ko siya kasama. And I think we deserve time often. Don't feel guilty for taking care of yourself. As long as you give your best, as long as you're always present. Yung presence na binibigay mo yung 100% mo, kahit nagtatrabaho ka, mararamdaman na yun ng anak mo. So, yeah, I think that's the best advice I could give.
Thank you very much.